What defines a space or place? Is it stone or steel or walls? Is it how it makes us feel? Or is there something beyond? Johnson Controls, in collaboration with our customers and partners, is leading a fundamental transformation of how spaces and places are perceived and enjoyed. This transformation is taking us beyond buildings. Now, spaces have memory and identity. They become like ecosystems, balancing and responding to the flow of information, services, and people. A physical location becomes a kind of stage for digital amenities and learning opportunities. This is how a space comes alive. It's not only about adding intelligence. It's about creating new relationships, new harmonies between people and spaces. Applying data from both inside buildings and beyond, our customers can now manage operations systemically, improving sustainability. This is how value keeps building. Spaces and places are opening up to new possibilities. This transformation has a name: OpenBlue, a dynamic new space from Johnson Controls.